I sometimes tease people. I'm very good in teasing others. I sometimes tease people, especially in more affluent countries. I'm not individually in a general way, otherwise they'll get angry. So I tease them by saying, how many shoes you have? You don't need to give that answer to me. Just you go to your room and count. How many shoes you have? Some people might say 20. How many legs you have? Then I proceed further and provoke them by saying, okay, I'm just talking about shoes, Then slowly you should do the same calculation with how many shirts you have, how many pants you have, etc., etc., etc. You will be shocked, you will be surprised. How many things, necessary or not necessary, you have accumulated over the years. Because of unchecked either greed or innocence, I don't know what to say.